Hey cousins, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Body Queens Fitness. We are going to get into it. So start with your shoulders back. I want to see good posture. Just make sure you are standing straight up and give it confidence, baby. Give it all the confidence you can. And we are going to breathe in and breathe out. Yes, this is a part of the dance, breathing in and breathing out. Then we're going to jazz it up a bit. Breathing in and breathing out still. Up and down. Yes. Make it sexy as we go around, stretching our neck, stretching our back. Real slow. And we're going to take it to the other side. Real slow. Stretch out that neck, stretch out that back. But give performance, baby. Don't be boring. Stretch out to the right and waterfall. Stretch out to the left and waterfall. Then we're going to give it some shoulders. Yes, we are stretching out our body as much as we possibly can until we bring it in and yes. We're going to take that left leg and bring it up and hop, 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 pop to go right, left, and switch, right and left, down. Yes, we're going to turn it around and down again to go pop, 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 pop. We are going to take our right leg over, our left leg over, squat and squeeze. Okay, squeeze those buns. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see, squeezed buns. And we're going to squat again and arch that back. Taking that right leg over to the other side, left leg over to squat and squeeze and squat and arch. Yes. We are going to take our left hand, right foot and do that smooth criminal. We want to see a little bit of moonwalking in place. Smooth it, slide it out and pop. Other side, around and pop. We're going to go finger, finger, around, pop, finger, finger, around, and pop. We are going to take that right leg and we are going to smooth it in and pop that arm out and snap. Smooth and snap. Coming to the front, we're doing the same movement. Make it smooth, make it silky, make it sexy. Be confident in everything that you are doing in this dance. Have fun. Have fun, queen. Yes. And pop, and pop, and hip, and hip. So we have 4 hips there, okay? We are going to take it again, double time. 1, 2, slide and pop, and 1, 2, slide and pop again, and 1, 2, slide and pop. Hey, let's get it, let's get it. Smooth. Let's get it, let's get it. Back around. Let's get it, let's get it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep. You got it. And we are going back to the chorus. Around and around and around. Other way. Around and around and around. Drop. We are going to turn that around and drop to go pop, 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 pop. Now you could take a variation of pops right here, but remember it is 4 pops and have fun, boo-boo. Pop that thing, pop that thing. However you want to. We are going to take that right leg around, left leg around to go squat, squeeze, squat, and squeeze and arch. To go to the other side, right leg around, left leg around, to squat and squeeze and squat and squeeze and arch. To go smooth, smooth and around and snap, smooth, smooth and around and snap and smooth, smooth and around and snap again, smooth, smooth and around and snap. Bring it. You could take a variation of poses. Bring your own personality into it. It is totally up to you. Just have fun, wipe that sweat off, breathe, and congratulations for even learning this dance. I now want to see you put these moves to the actual song. Click on the next video to follow along with me either barefoot or in heels. I'll see you over there.